Hey guys, Trader Worth the Risk here with the Crypto Collective, and welcome to the 5th episode of the Binance tutorials. I'm going to go over the savings platform in this episode, and I think a lot of people, they haven't really looked into this too much, but I think it's really useful, especially if you're an Aussie. So when you log into Binance, what you have to do is you go up here and you can click on savings, and you'll log in. You might have to accept some terms and conditions. Basically, you have five main tabs here: flexible savings, lock savings, activities, flexible staking, and lock staking. And flexible savings basically means you can deposit a token and you'll get interest on it, and you can actually withdraw it at any time. Flexible savings have a little bit less interest than lock savings, but lock savings, you can't withdraw them. There's a fixed time period that they actually lock for. And why this is really useful is because we all know this is a big hype at the moment, staking and DeFi. But a lot of people, they fail to realize you can, if you're an American, I don't know if they can use this platform, maybe they can't, but theoretically, if you had, $1,000 US, you could deposit it on here. You could lock away this 1,000 US here, and you could earn a 7% annualized interest rate in the 7 days just for locking that away. So this makes it quite easy for someone who's beginning or new to crypto to deposit their kind of fiat currency and just earn a little bit of extra money to actually begin trading with, or just to kind of get in the game or throw a few investments around. So for those who are looking at staking and all this DeFi kind of stuff, but you thought it's a bit risky, maybe you can look into this platform here, because you've got savings, flexible savings, lock savings, and then you've also got staking, flexible staking, and lock staking. So if you're someone who's holding crypto, like long-term holding, for example, I've been buying a little bit of SXP lately. You can deposit here, so while you're holding, you can actually generate more for yourself. So now keep in mind, if you do lock staking and you want to change your mind, you want to get out of it, you won't be able to for a locked time period, depending on what you choose. And on some of these, you'll actually earn more if you lock it for more. But keep in mind, if the market crashes, you won't be able to take your crypto out. But for those who are just trying to increase their bag sizes while holding, and they're invested in long-term projects that they believe in, then this is definitely something you should look at, because you can earn just from your money sitting there. And also we have up here the activities tab. So right now they're all ended, but sometimes new things come and go. They have special staking options where you can earn. For example, you have this was a USDT special for 14 days, and you'd get a 7.40% annualized interest rate. And also, I will go over here. You have the auto transfer. So you can transfer USDT into your savings, or if you had if you deposited Australian dollars into Binance and you wanted to dollar cost average into Bitcoin, you could deposit Australian dollars, convert to USDT, and you could set up an auto transfer here into one of these savings in a particular cryptocurrency or whatever it is you want to loan, or or save, and you could set it to transfer after a certain time period automatically into these savings. So for those who are into dollar cost averaging, this is very useful as well. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically when you buy an asset over a fixed time period. So instead of going and buying $10,000 of Bitcoin at once, you'll buy $1,000 at the end of every month for 10 months, for an example. So that's the savings platform. You got the auto transfer here. And the top three, you can see how they're yellow. And that's actually because right now Binance is doing a pool as well, just like all these other DeFi tokens at the moment. If you go to finance at the top, you can go to liquid swap. And when you're swapping this currency here, you're actually using a liquidity pool to instantly trade your crypto. So if you wanted to trade through one of these free cryptocurrencies, USDT, BUSD, and DAI, if you swap them here, you'll be generating liquidity in this pool, and you'll earn pool tokens and rewards similar to the other websites at the moment. But this one, if you go on the home page, you'll see it here. It's the left two little images. It's Bella Protocol, Launch Pool, and Binance BSwap. So these are the two kind of DeFi related things Binance has launched as well. So if you're into DeFi and you've been into staking, the Bella protocol, you can actually stake USDT to receive this. So that means, you trade in most people trade in US dollars. If you wanted to earn this Bell token for free, you can stake US dollars. So, no matter what happens, your US dollars are going to stay the same value, and you can earn this cryptocurrency for free. So if you haven't had a chance to explore this side of Binance yet, and you do, hold USDT, I know a lot of people are stashing it lately, waiting for a good buy opportunity. So it might be something you guys want to look into. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the Binance tutorial series. I'll be going into many more videos over the next few weeks over different projects and DeFi related things. So I'll see you guys in the next videos. And if you like the videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.